throwing it too. So we were cleaning up down in here, trying to lower the water level because we ultimately want to clean up this space. I think the blaster is light enough to make it around the outside edge there without having to be winched out. I think. That mud is like blender frappe. I think hit the route, don't stop, try not to spin the tires.
Who's the winch?
What? Alright, I gotta ride down and scout this out. Oh man, this is the kind of stuff if you skim it.
I don't know if you can keep enough speed to get through there.
You see my footprints there, it's like walking on like jello.
It's quicksand. It's New England quicksand.
You gotta like really hug the bank and keep momentum and try and get out right over there.
If you can make it across it over there, you can keep up enough speed to get all the way around. That middle looks like it'd be alright. You just drive real fast right through that stuff right there.
This? Oh no. It like could go wrong. I guess, yeah, it could go wrong.
You just got the hardest part is going to be keeping your speed in a straight line from that sandbar over there all the way to that side of the, all the way to the other side. You can't stop.
If I spin the tire on this?
Yeah, you got to keep your speed up, and you can't turn your tires because that'll grab it and never let go. Then we got to break out the Can-Am. Then we got to break out the Can-Am with the winch.
Okay, I think we got a shot.
Don't come this way.
That was my first gamble of the day. Oh boy, this might not work.
You'll be all right. You gotta back up now. You gotta be able to get some speed.
That went deep fast.
Don't spin them. You're not getting out.
I went all the way up to the frame immediately on this side.
Yeah. I love how where your tires were, you can't tell where they're going and where they were.
Oh man, it's a humid day.
I was gonna say, it's kind of like, what was it, last year up the stream?
Yeah, maybe I'll help him.
Hey Jimmy, what if we're going at this the wrong way? What if we need to go clockwise instead of counterclockwise? Go that way.
I can only turn left. I gotta get more speed. That's the solution. Still going in second.
was. You're too far to the left.
I followed your advice.
You're out.
Oh.
You're out. You were standing too because your seats.
Oh man.
You gotta loan your back. You're good.
Yeah. It actually feels kind of cool. All right, here we go.
Put your weight on the back.
Go!
Your boots wet.
Still going in two.
You won't do it again.
Suck some water in.
I heard
I thought
something.
you said it was solid over here.
You're not far enough to the right.
Oh. You know, I thought I was going to get it from...
You were further to the right last time.
Oh, I was?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
There's only like 50 years of.
Oh, it's like running down the inside of my shirt.
Every time you go through, it just gets stuck worse and worse.
Yeah, I know.
Like your tires are going deeper and deeper over there.
Yeah, I'm not sure I'll make it through a third time.
Should I go grab
There,
a?
I couldn't get enough traction to get off the side, and it went down through the middle. It was about that deep.
In the across.
Yeah, we pushed that off to the
We
side.
pushed that off to the side because that was pushing further left. So that whole center area is all muck.
Yeah.
It's super soft. And it goes super soft all the way to that tree that's kind of sticking out in the corner.
Yeah. So then you come around right to this stump down here,
Yeah.
and if you can, try and hug the stump. I couldn't. I slide off and in. So if I
pretty
can,
deep.
it's pretty deep. The last time I came right through the middle there, and it's a wonder I didn't flood it out because that was probably a good 18, 20 inches.
Really?
Yeah.
But now it's all,
But when you hug the side, the first time when we got around, I hugged the side and we were fine. It's that section there that.
So you think it's over the tractor tires?
No.
So why don't I be scooping some of that mud out of there?
I think you should. As a matter of fact, I think you should take the red tractor, drive right down
That's
in
what I
there,
meant.
take a couple of scoops. I'm sure you can do it. You'll be just fine. So this spot here is all gravel. There was 20 inches that I hit of water when I went through there 10 feet in, but it's solid underneath. Otherwise, I would have been done. But that stump on back, the gravel's on the edge, but it's a steep bank. The rest of that is soup. The far side isn't bad for an ATV, but
a fast ATV.
a fast ATV. I don't think we
light
know where the
ATV.
gravel base is all the way down
Say
there.
we can take a couple of scoops with the red tractor.
I like
a
where
cow
your head's
cow.
at. Yeah.
You have the keys for the truck on you, just in case.
What do you mean? He said I could do it.
Yeah, there's no question. No question. I'll be there with the blaster to pull you out.
Wait, which tires were you talking about? The front tires or the back tires?
Well, we'll see.
realize how low his exhaust is. It is really low. It's not even 3/4 of the way down the front tire.
It'll be fine. All right, this felt like I went through right where his bucket was. I'm gonna say 20 inches right there. Oh man, he only put that thing down like 10. I can't estimate. So the Can-Ams would just walk through that. He's gonna plow it. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's the soup I was trying to ride through. Oh no, that's where I was riding.
Yeah.
That was my traction right there.
It was.
I'm gonna fall off that side and I'm literally gonna fall over. Oh my goodness. Just plow it. Just plow it, Jay. Yeah. He's touching. Oh, he's got this. It's that pile of gravel that's goofing him.
Yep.
We'll have him turn and push that. He'll be good to be able to back up. All right, well that was fun. We got most of the pond area, the new pond area, cleaned up a bit here. Cleaned out, leveled this out, lowered it again, still trying to get the muck out. We tried to connect around the side, not quite successful. We did connect the new trail that runs up the bank here into the river and connects up with the road there. So, nothing broke. Had some fun on the blaster, had some fun on the tractors. All in all, not a bad Saturday. So, time to park it, have some dinner.